Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to try the egg white face mask. Okay, this mask is supposed to take out the white heads that we have on our faces, right? Guys, I'm long overdue for this mask. Okay, of recent I'm going to see a lot of white heads on my face. I don't know if this camera is picking it up, but if you guys can see on my forehead region, my nose especially, yeah, on this side it's really obvious. Okay, so I thought to film this process that I'm going to get done on myself for you guys. So yeah, for this tutorial I'm going to be using eggs, right? The white part of the egg. For some reason, honestly, at this point I don't know why people don't get to use the egg yolk. I don't know why, so I don't use it. All right, I use just the egg white and some tissues, right? I have this tissue here, and I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I would prep my tissue to be used, right? What I like to do is to get this section of tissue, and I'm going to divide it into two, right? I get better results when I separate the tissues like this. So I'm going to get a piece of that tissue, and what I like to do is to fold it in half. All right, I like to work with two sizes when I'm doing this on myself. So I take the tissue, I fold it inside in two, right, in half. And what I like to do is my shears look so old, these things don't last, and I just got them. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this in half, right, like so. So I have two pieces right now, and I'm going to use these on some sections of my face, as you guys will see in the course of this video. Then another size I like to work with is the squares, right? I like to have them in half, like so, in half, and then I'll fold them again. All right, so instead of getting a rectangle, what I'm going to get is a square this time, right? And I'll cut it like so, and then also cut this half in half as well, so I get 4 pieces. All right, so we have some tissues I cut in 2, and then some sections I cut in 4s, and I get a square like this. So I've gone ahead to clip my hair off camera because I'm not about to get eggs on my wig, right? And here, you guys, I've gone ahead to break up my egg. I'm using two pieces of eggs, and you guys, separating the whites from the egg yolk was a struggle for me. I hope you're able to do yours without having to struggle as much as I did. But I was able to, I don't know, for some reason some yolk still escaped and got into this plate, right? You need a brush, okay? You need some kind of flat brush, fluffy brush, to get the egg, spread it on your face, and then proceed to the next thing. All right, you guys, let's get started. You honestly don't need two pieces of egg. I feel like with one egg you can have quite a lot of amount to go around your face. Okay, so I'm going to start with this, and I don't apply it on my under eye because I mean I don't have white head in those areas, right? So apply it on this section first, staying away from my sideburns or side jabs. I don't know what that's called. Okay, so I apply a good amount of it. You really don't have to go in with this egg white like 3 times as I'm doing. I'm doing it repeatedly because this brush is a very small one. If I was using a bigger brush, I would not be applying it multiple times on my face as I am applying it. So now that I have this portion of my face covered, I'm going to go ahead and grab my tissue. Okay, so I'm picking up this one that I cut horizontally. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my face. All right, so you guys, with this thing you want to work really fast because the egg white dries really fast. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that in that section. Okay, press that down.
want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself.
Then I'm gonna go over this section with some more of that egg white. Just so that this whole tissue is saturated with the egg whites. Yeah, so this part of my face is done. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing for this other side. So you really don't have to do this all over your face, right? If you have white head in some specific areas in your face, then just restrict this application to that area of your face. Okay, I'm going to apply in these regions almost all over my face because I can see some of those white heads all over my face. Okay, grabbing some tissues, I'm going to apply.
Misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let
Then I'll go in with some egg whites. And saturate that tissue with the egg. So I'm not going to cut this part because it's very close to my eyes. I'm just going to leave that part like so. And I'll do the same thing to my forehead, my nose, and my chin. So when doing your forehead, you want to stay away from your eyebrows and the perimeters of your hairline.
I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Normally I'm not supposed to have this on my brows. For some reason I forgot, alright, and I have it on my brows. So let's just pray that I don't rip out all of the hair in that area, okay? I'm just going to be careful enough not to apply some more egg on that area because I feel like for here the egg was just seeping down and then it got to my brows, okay? So I'm not going to go back with my brush to apply some more eggs in that area, no. So I'm going to go ahead to do my nose because I have a lot of them. I have a lot of white spots on my nose and I don't like that.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't
some egg on that region, on that area, avoiding my brows, you guys.
last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Then I'm gonna do my chin.
Myself down, myself down.
So guys, now that I'm done applying this all over my face, I can't even stretch my face so much just so I don't scatter this whole thing. Okay, I'm going to do this in for like 30 minutes or like 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, 40 minutes later, and this is what we have. This thing is completely dry, as you guys can see. I can't even talk well. Like my face is so tight. Okay, so I forgot to add one of the benefits of this mask is that it helps tighten your pores. Okay, and as an oily skin girl that I am, I have a lot of pores, and so I'm counting on this mask to help me shrink all of my pores, right? I want to believe that you guys heard what I just said. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling off this mask. But this feels so tight. I can't even talk. Oh my god, it feels like a mommy. I need to stop talking because at this point, I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm going to take out all of the edges first.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am.
Wow. It's not painful to take out this mask, but you can feel that something is leaving your face, okay? Something really tight, like a mask, is leaving your face. Yeah. So this is me checking to see if it actually did lift. Okay, I definitely can see some white head on this mask. You guys can see. I'd have shown you guys, but I'm not sure it's going to be obvious for this camera to peek. They actually did take out some white head, but I'm a bit disappointed because see, these ones are still here. I guess I have to like devise another means to take these ones out. But yeah, so it's quite did a thing. Okay, it did a thing for taking out the white marks. I don't know if it did completely everything. See, last I think that to take the white heads of my face, I might have to like, you know, pinch them out or something, because oh excuse me guys, this max, I don't know exactly how I feel about this max, right? Because I also can still see some white heads on my face. It didn't do so much, or I think I see some people do like two layers of it, like After doing the first layer and tissue, they go back in and apply some more egg and apply the tissue and apply some more egg. I don't know if that is very effective than what I just did, but fam, I don't know, these things are still here. Okay, these things are actually still here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face, okay, because I have a face filled with egg white. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, tone my face, and moisturize, and I'll be right back to let you guys know exactly what I feel about this mask. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, all I can say is that this thing did not do it for me. Okay, this performed way below my expectation. I was expecting that by now everything on my face would have cleared, but you guys, I'm going to give these marks a 10 over 100. Okay, everything on my face is still there. Okay, let me not say everything because I did see some of the whitehead on the tissue when I peeled it off, but I don't think I'm going to be trying this again. Okay, if I have to try it, maybe I'll do it double like I said before. Okay, maybe if I try that one and it works, then I can say okay. But for right now, I think I'm going to invest in a very good max that will do the work for me, because this DIY is not DIY. This DIY is not DIY. Okay, see, everything is everything. I'm pained. It's paining me, sha, because I like to find a dupe for things. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I don't know if to encourage you guys to try it out, but if you have faith that it might work for you, by all means, try it out. But I'm not, what's it called now? I'm not recommending it for you guys. Okay, I'm not. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not going to ask you if you got learned a thing or two, because bombastic side eye. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys in the video going up tomorrow, stay fab and stay blessed. Mwah.